eat.
Hello, class. Hello. Oh, there is Johnny. Hello. Nice to see you again, Johnny. Oh, where are you now? Ken, Sally, where are you? You can enter now. You can enter now, class. Hmm.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, Ken. How are you, Ken?
I'm Ray.
Oh, that's good to know. Where's the part 7? Okay. Here we are. Okay, there. What do we have here? Hello, Johnny. Who is the early bird? Who comes first? Who is the early bird? Hmm. Hello, Ken. Johnny, I can't hear you. You can unmute now. Johnny, you can enter now, Johnny. I can't hear you. Unmute now, Johnny. Where's Sally? I can't see Sally. Sally. Oh, Ken, why are you look sad? Why? Why you look sad, Ken? Oh, you like that? Are you now sleepy? Are you now
No,
sleepy?
no.
Oh no. Okay. Did you eat dinner already? Did you eat dinner already? Where's
Yeah.
Sally? Wow. What did you eat?
Rice and fish.
Wow, that's healthy. Rice and fish. Do you eat fruits and vegetables?
What?
Do you also eat fruits and vegetables?
No.
Why? You don't like vegetables?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You need to eat vegetables. Yes, that is the secret for a youth. Yes, for a longevity, for a healthy body. Hello, Sally. Welcome, welcome. Okay, nice to see you again, class. Oh, Johnny, how are you today, Johnny? I can't hear you, Johnny. Johnny, where are you, Johnny? Johnny, I can't hear you. Okay, there. Hi, Johnny. Nice to see you again, Johnny. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Oh, did you eat dinner already?
Yeah.
What did you eat?
I eat chicken and rice.
Wow, chicken and rice. That's delicious. Okay, very good, Johnny. How about Sally? Hello, Sally. Good evening. Sally, what happened to your camera, Sally? Ronaldo versus.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, what's that, Ronaldo? You're a fan of Ronaldo, Ken? Okay, you're a die-hard fan of Ronaldo. Sally, good evening. How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, that's good. Did you eat dinner already?
Yes.
What did you eat?
I is rice with um uh meat and vegetable.
Wow, that's delicious. Okay, did you eat fruits? Do you also eat fruits?
No.
Oh, why? You need to eat fruits. That is important to our body for a balanced diet. Okay, thank you, class. Now let's start. Oh, where is Daisy? Daisy. Maybe Daisy will not come to our class. I don't know. What do you think?
Daisy not come.
Oh, Daisy not come. Okay, let's start. Who's the early bird? Who's the early bird? Sally, Johnny, or Sally, Johnny, or Ken?
What?
Johnny? Oh, I can't hear. Okay, you're the early bird, Johnny?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's start. Okay, please read aloud, Johnny.
Transformer. Unit 8.
The hottest,
The hottest and
coldest places.
coldest place.
Places. Don't forget the S.
Places.
Places. Okay, very good. Now let's start. Name all kinds of weather that you know. All kinds of weather you know. You can raise your hands. All kinds of weather. For example, here in the Philippines, the weather is rainy. We have rainy. How about in other country or in your country? Weather. You can raise your hands. Okay, Ken.
Name of things of weather or that your cold.
Okay, what is the weather that you know?
Ủa tắt thì cho em bằng học buồn ngọc đi. Bye bye đi.
What's the weather you know? How about Sally?
Snowy.
Okay, snowy weather. Yes. Anything else? Johnny?
Rain.
Rain. We have already raining.
Rồi mẹ đi trên mẹ đi đâu nè. Đi. Mình cũng mất cũng tiêu cũng là
Anything else, class?
bây giờ sự tao mặt nè. Không hết bạn đâu nè. Đâu. Làm suy luôn. Bảo tiền đi tiên của mẹ đâu không?
Không,
Này tiên của mẹ đi.
Okay, we
con chỉ
have
thấy mất tiền thôi.
Không.
cold.
Này tiên của mẹ đi ngon với
Windy. Yes, windy.
Con chỉ thấy
Sunny. Yes,
Không
sunny
đi
weather.
rồi. Đi rồi. Rồi tiên đi cho mẹ.
Snowy weather.
Đi không mai luôn.
That's all the weathers. Okay. Now let's start with vocabulary class. Okay, let's start with Johnny.
slow.
Snow? Is that snow, Johnny? Okay, it's rain.
Rain.
Repeat after me, Johnny. Rain.
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 Sally.
Rain.
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 Ken?
Rain.
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 Very good. Okay,
Rain.
next. Sally, what's this?
Is snowy.
Snow. Okay, repeat
No.
after me.
Snow.
No. Snow.
Johnny.
Snow. Snow.
Ken?
Snow. Snow.
Yes. Okay, and the last Ken, what's this?
Rồi nó vậy.
What's this, Ken?
Cái gì vậy? Ô bông đâu đi.
Mhm.
Cô nào bạn khác?
It's
Đâu, cô ở bên này mà.
It's rainbow. Repeat after me.
Rainbow.
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 Johnny, rainbow.
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 Sally,
Rainbow.
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 very
Rainbow.
good, class. Okay, this
Ở
are
đâu?
the weathers.
Không gì đâu.
So,
Bảo Ngọc.
Meet my
Bảo là
son. He is 5 years old. His name Mia.
Rainbow.
Hello, friends. Say hello, friends.
Hello.
Mhm. Okay.
Hello.
Now, what do we need to wear during raining season? Raining. What do we need to wear, Sally? Or what do we need to use during raining season?
Mm,
We need to use an umbrella. Oh, it's not umbrella.
Rainbow.
Umbrella.
Raincoat. Raincoat.
Yes, raincoat. Raincoat. And how about for the feet? For the feet, what do we need to use for the feet?
Rain suit.
Rain boots. Okay, very
Boots.
good, Sally. How about in a snow weather, Johnny? What do we need to wear in a snowy weather? What do we need to wear? Johnny, hello. Where are you going, Johnny? Johnny,
Yes.
what do we need to wear? During snowy. Okay, during snowy. We wear a, a coat, hat, a gloves. We wear gloves and winter boots. Yes, winter boots. Okay, Cat, question. When do you see rainbow? When do you see rainbow?
Rainbow have two. Rainbow have many color.
Mhm. You can see a rainbow after the rain. Yes, rainbow appears after the rain. Don't forget that, class. Okay, thank you. Let's have the next. Okay, what is this, Johnny?
Copy, copy, copy.
What's this, Johnny? Wind. Okay, very good. Repeat after me. Wind.
Wind,
Wind.
wind,
Can
Wind.
wind.
wind,
Wind.
wind,
Sally. Can
Wind.
wind.
wind,
Wind.
Okay, next, Sally, what's this?
Sun.
Sun.
Hmm,
Sun.
okay, sun. Repeat after me. Sun.
What
Sun.
is this?
Sun.
sun,
Can
Sun.
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 sun,
Johnny, sun.
sun,
Sun.
This.
Sun.
Excuse me.
What
Okay,
is
let's have
this?
again. What's this?
Bow.
Moon. Okay, very good.
Moon.
It's cold now. Okay. Ken?
It is
moon,
Moon.
moon,
moon.
Johnny?
moon,
Moon.
moon,
Moon.
Moon.
Sally?
moon,
Moon.
moon,
Moon.
Very good, class. Okay. Now, what is the best thing to do during windy day? Yes. Ken, what is the best thing to do during windy day?
Windy.
Yes. During windy day.
The ring. The ring. The ring.
What is the best thing to do during windy day? We can have picnic.
Windy. Picnic.
Yes, fly a
Picnic.
kite.
Say.
Fly a kite. Yes,
Fly a
during
kite.
windy day. How about Johnny? What is the best thing to do during sunny day? During sunny day, what is the best thing to do? What's the best thing to do, Johnny? The best thing to do during sunny is, Sally?
Go to the sea.
Yes, go swimming. Okay, we can go swimming to
Go
feel
swim
better. Yes. And
and water park.
okay, what's that?
Water park.
Okay, to a water park. Very good. Eat ice cream. Yes.
Ice cream.
Mhm.
Ice.
Yes. Ice cream. We eat ice cream. Very
And
good.
drink ice.
Yes, drink cold beverages. Like, for example, lemonade. Drink lemonade. Drink
Watermelon.
shake. Fruit shake. Yes, make it in a blender. Good job. Okay, now let's proceed to section A. Thank you, class. Well done. Okay, now section A. Find sentence pairs about different kinds of weather. Color the bubbles snow, purple. Snow is purple.
Red.
Rain is blue. Wind is green. Rainbow is pink. Moon is yellow. Sun is red. Let's
I am
start
white.
with
Red dress. I come from red color.
I'm white. Okay, what's the meaning of this? I'm white. Let's start with Ken, Johnny, and Sally, and me. You can use your pen, color the different kinds of weather. Okay, this
The
is
pen.
all yours, Ken. This is all yours,
Let your
Johnny.
pen.
This is all yours, Sally. This is all mine. Okay? You may start now. Okay, I'm white. The answer, Ken, is
I am what? Red.
snow. Okay. Next, Johnny.
And
Make
make
the
the
leaves.
leaf look bad for tree.
Okay, what is this?
I know.
What color? What color, Johnny? It's green. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Okay, okay. What color do you think of this, Johnny? It's green. Now you can use your pen. Color your answers, class. Color your answers, Johnny, Sally, and Ken. Yellow. Red. Okay. What's your answer, class? Johnny, what color is this?
It,
I make the leaves fall from trees. Okay, what's this?
it,
Mm-hmm.
wind.
Yes, it's green. How about Sally? I can change
blue,
the things from dry to wet. You don't have a pencil, Sally? Color it blue. Mhm. Okay, next. Ken, I come from gray clouds. What's this?
It is low, 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 low.
What's this? I come from
I come from gray color. Red color. Red color. Red color.
Okay, it's color red. I come from
Red.
gray clouds. It's the sun. No. Pink? What do you think? Pink? What is it?
Red.
Okay, let's check later. Just color it red, Ken. Next, Johnny. I come out when you go to bed.
come out when go to bed.
Yes, what's that?
It's yellow.
Okay, color it yellow, Johnny.
Yeah,
Okay, next, Sally. Please read aloud. Look carefully.
pink,
Okay, it's pink. Next, Ken, you want me when you go sailing. What's this? You want me when you go sailing. What's this?
Blue.
It's blue, color blue. This one,
Yes. Yes. Blue.
it's
blue,
blue.
blue,
This one,
blue.
this one.
Big line, not coming.
Blue.
You want me when you go sailing is the wind. It's green.
Green.
Yes, it's green, class. It's green. Okay, next, Johnny. Only I fall on really.
I only feel a really, really good night. A
What color is that?
it pink,
Really, really cold days. Yes, it's snow. What color is snow?
purple,
Yes, color it purple. Next, Sally. I'm hot.
red,
Okay, color it red. You don't have a pen, Sally? Use annotation. Use annotation and pencil. Yes. Okay, very good. Now let's check your answers, class. Okay, what do we have here? Purple. Green, correct. Blue, correct, Sally. And I come from Lake Clouds, it's blue. Next, pink. Oh, I'm wrong. What is pink? Oh, rainbow. Okay, okay. Next, yellow. Johnny. Moon. Okay. Next, yellow. Oh, I'm correct. Next, red. Very good, Sally. And okay, this one is red too. Very good, class. Well done. You have answered it all correctly. Love you. Love you. Love you. Okay, wait. I will send it to Zalo. Very good, class. Well done. Now let's have the next. Let's have section B. Okay, section B. Good job, class. Now let's have superlative adjectives. What do you know about superlative adjectives? Here, where are you? Okay, here. What do you know about superlative adjectives? We use the superlative to highlight person or thing between two or more. If the adjective is short, we add est to the adjective. If the adjective is long, we use most before the adjective. We use the before the superlatives. Please read the example. Okay, please read the example. Let's have Ken.
Biến xuống nhiều.
Ken.
Xuống.
Rachel.
Xuống nữa người ta phải dắt à. Xuống. Bà hết cốc cà phê rửa hết sạch cái lên. Đi xuống. Có hết cốc cà phê.
Person.
Tao bảo vứt xuống. Không uống nhiều gì. Vứt xuống.
Is the
Muốn học cái này là không biết học đến
Practice the most
bây giờ
person
please read
in
aloud.
this room. Ross
Is the most beautiful person in this room.
this
Okay, again.
room. Rogers the most beautiful person in this room.
Yes. Okay, very good.
John.
Next. Okay, Johnny. Ross. Ross. Ross is the tallest. Can you see the lesson, class? I'm sorry, you can't see the lesson. Please wait. Okay, there. Can you see now? Tell me if you can see. I will share to you, okay? Sorry if you can see. Let's have this. Now, please read aloud, Johnny. Ross is... Johnny. Hello, Johnny. Can you hear me, Johnny? Hello? Okay. Ross is the tallest man. What's the answer, Johnny? Hello?
What is the test man in my class?
Very good. Okay. Ross is the tallest man in my class. That are the examples. I will send also in Zalo now the examples of superlative adjectives. Okay? I'm sending it now, so for your reference. Yes, we have a lot of examples. Please wait. Okay, here. There is different rule. There is a 4 rule of superlatives adjectives. Did you see the Zalo? Can you see the Zalo, Sally?
Yes.
Okay, I sent it to Zalo for your reference. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, complete the sentences from the word with words from the box. Okay, this is the box class. Yes, driest, coolest, sunniest, wettest, windiest, hottest. Now I will, this is Sally, number 1, Ken, Johnny, me, then Sally. Okay, class, please answer number 1. Please read aloud, Sally. There's
There's lots of ice in Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Antarctica is the coldest place in the world.
Yes. Okay, what's the meaning of that? What's the answer? Coldest. Good job. Next, Ken, number 2. Please read aloud, Ken.
The raining to in the it's raining. There are lots
Okay, the answer is, down in India, is the, which one? It rains there a lot. The answer is, what happened when it rains a lot? What happened to the ground? It becomes, Ken? The blank town in India. It rains there a lot. Yes. Like this, number 2. What happened? Okay, the answer is the wettest. Wet. Wettest. Okay, number 3, Johnny. Africa.
Africa is the
Mhm.
wind.
Okay, Africa
Wind.
is
Wind
sunniest,
up of the world.
hottest.
Wind.
Are you sure? Wind? You choose
Yes.
the answer from here, class. Here, number 3. This is number 3, Johnny.
Is sunset.
Okay, how about the temperature? The temperature.
Hot.
Okay, the answer is hottest. Very good. Next. B. The Antarctica there. Okay, this is number 4. The driest. Oh, windiest, sorry. Next, number 5, Sally. In Arizona. Sally, where are you, Sally? Okay, welcome back, Sally. In Arizona.
In Arizona is a great dry and sunny in the sunny ice.
Sunniest or driest?
dry, sunny,
Driest. Okay, that is the answer, class. Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask questions. No problem if you have questions, class. Okay, I will send you some now. Let's proceed to section C. What do we have section C? Let's draw weather that you like most. Okay, how about Ken? What's the weather you like most?
Raining.
Rainy weather. Okay. How about Johnny? What's the weather you like most? Johnny, can you hear me, Johnny?
what
What's the weather you like most?
is green,
Okay, what's that? Rainy weather? Rainy? Johnny? What's the weather, Johnny, you like most? What is his answer, Sally? I sorry, I don't hear. What's the weather?
is
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's have Sally. Sally, let's draw the weather you like most.
I like rainy.
Okay, rainy. Why do you like rainy, class? Why do you like rainy? Ken?
I love
Cold. Yes. How about Johnny? Why do you like rainy? Why? Because raining is refreshing. Okay, this is rainy. Okay, class, good job. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, let's have choose the words to complete the weather sentences. Can you please answer this, Sally? It is.
It is rainy today.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next. Okay, take. Mm-hmm.
It was snowing yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you can choose your answer from here. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay?
Okay.
Again, Sally.
It is windy today.
Mm-hmm.
It was yesterday. It is rainy today. It is snowing yesterday.
Yes. Okay, next, Ken, please read, please answer. Please make a sentence.
Today is snowing.
It
Today
is.
it is sunny. It is winning. It is hot. It is cold.
Just make a one sentence. For example, it is windy today. It was hot yesterday. Like that. Go.
It is windy
Today.
today.
Next.
It is sunny
It
today.
was.
It was
Mhm.
yesterday.
Okay, it was what? Cold, hot, sunny? It was
Cody.
cold yesterday.
Yesterday.
Okay, next. It is.
It a
Mm-hmm.
a raining today.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Is is
Rained or snowed?
snow
Snowed yesterday.
snowed yesterday.
Okay, good job, Ken. Let's proceed to Johnny, 10 years old. Sally, 9 years old. Okay, now Johnny, please make a sentence.
It well
It
today.
is.
It is cloudy today.
Mm-hmm.
It was sunny yesterday.
Yes, perfect. Okay, next.
It is raining today.
Mm-hmm.
It rained yesterday.
Yes. Okay, good job, class. Good job. Now, today it's sunny and I'm too hot. But yesterday it snowed and it was really cold. That is the example answer, class. Okay, very good. We completed the sentences. Now let's proceed to the next. Okay. What do we have here? Mover's tip. I will read for you, class. Reading and writing. Reading and writing part 4 tasks. Understanding of grammatical structures. Make sure you can accurately make verbs, agree with subjects and use pronouns to refer back to names or nouns. For example, both are likely to appear in this multiple choice task. That is the example. Now let's have this. Oh, okay, good luck. After Sally, we have Ken. Number 1, Sally, Johnny, me, and Ken. Okay. Ken, please read aloud the title.
We don't see many animals and
Coldest.
part of the world. Put polar bear, which are white, liver and building cosplay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, number 1. The answer is live. Okay, here. Next, number 1. Sleep, sleeping, sleeps. Ken? Brown bear.
Brown bear.
Sleep,
Brown
sleeping, sleeps.
sleeping when the winter in is very cold.
Okay, the answer is sleep. Next, number 2, Sally.
They don't wake up or eat anything food.
Yes, that is hibernate. They don't wake up. They don't eat any food during snowy, cold parts in the world. Okay, next, number 3, Johnny.
Fly
By, to, or at?
By.
Okay, to. The answer is to hotter countries, but penguins are very happy in the snow. Now let's have me. When the weather's very cold, when the weather's very cold and Ken, number 5.
There's snow on the brown.
Mhm. Those, all, or this? What's the answer?
Round.
Those, all, or this? What's the answer, class?
Those.
Mm-hmm. All this?
Oh, this.
Okay, the answer is the snow on the ground. Okay, the answer is all animals. 4 changes from brown to white. Okay, the answer is this. That's the answer, class. Please double check your answers. Okay, do you have any questions? Am I speaking too fast? Or just okay? Am I speaking too fast, Johnny? Or just okay? Hello, Johnny. I can't hear you, Johnny.
What?
Am I speaking too fast? Do you understand or not? Ken.
We don't see many animals in the coldest path.
Okay, Johnny, please read aloud. Okay, that is the lesson. Do you understand, Ken? Sally?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Please let me know so we can practice this, okay? Now, let's proceed to section E. Which are the tallest? Which are the strongest? Which are the cleverest? What is cleverest, class? What is cleverest? Sally?
Mm,
What's the meaning cleverest?
it
Okay, meaning of cleverest is smart. The most smart. Okay, let's start with Johnny. Which are the tallest? The tallest, Johnny. Which are the tallest? Elephant, hippo, snake,
hippo.
the hippo. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I think the tallest is the giraffe. Okay, wait. Okay, the tallest is the giraffe, Johnny. The tallest because giraffe have very long neck. How about the strongest, Ken? Who is the strongest?
Elephant.
Oh, the elephant. Yes. Okay, the clever. The smartest, Sally. Who's the smartest? Okay, you can sleep later, Sally. Okay, who's the smartest?
Mm, beer.
Bear, are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, the smartest is the rabbit.
Next, the quietest. Who is the most quiet? Who don't make sounds? The snake. The funniest. Who is the funniest, Johnny? Johnny, who's the funniest? Which animal is funny?
C
Is the?
is bird.
Okay, the bird, the funniest. Next, Ken. The nicest. Which are the nicest animals?
Nicest animal.
Yes, that you can touch.
Bear.
Okay, what is it? The bear? The nicest? Are you sure? Bear are wild animals. Yes.
Oh, no.
Yes, they kill a lot of people in Russia. The rabbit. How about the slowest? Who is the slowest, Johnny? Oh, Sally?
Is hippo.
Yes. Oh, no. The hippo runs faster.
Is
The hip.
lowest.
No, it's rabbit.
The slowest is the rabbit. No. They are the prey from the foxes and the wolves. They can run faster.
And the people.
Bear.
I think the bear can also run. They are four-legged.
And people can run.
Okay, I think it's the elephant. Elephant is the
Elephant
slowest.
is a big.
It's big. It's difficult for him to run.
He not run.
Yes, elephants don't run. That's why they are the slowest. Compare of the hippos, hippos can run. Like
And a crocodile.
yes. Okay, good job, class. We are done. Congratulations. Okay, let's have a game. Do you want to play a game, class?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a game. Oh, we can finish early now.
No.
You don't like? You don't like? Why you don't like, Ken? Okay, here. Let's have team 1. Okay, team 1 will be, okay, me and Sally. Team 2 is Johnny and Ken. Okay?
No.
Why? Why Johnny? Okay, let's have Sally.
Number 2
2, what is it?
is
Hamburger. Next.
number 4
4,
butterfly.
butterfly. Next, Sally.
Number 10
10. What is number 10?
iPhone.
Very good. Next,
7
7, 11. Okay.
dragonfly.
What's this?
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Next,
Number 1
1.
is sunflower.
Wow, good job, Sally. Next, what number? 15?
Yes.
Okay, what's this?
Red.
Snowman.
Yes. Okay, Johnny. Next, Sally, 9-year-old.
Number 5.
Why you put 9-year-old, Sally? Johnny Tra is 10 years old. Oh, you take points.
It's 25.
Oh, 5. We take only 5. We are good people.
25.
Okay, 25. Okay, now, why you look sad, Johnny and Ken? Why you're sad? Next, Johnny and Ken.
8.
8. Are you sure?
Hot dog.
Yes, hot dog. Wow. Ken is lucky. Okay, next.
Is 9.
9. Other team wins 25 points. Oh, okay. Next.
3.
3. Okay, what's this?
Toothbrush.
No.
Toothbrush.
Yes, toothbrush. Next.
Number 12.
12.
12 is
What happened to your camera? What happened to your camera, guys?
is
Rainbow.
rainbow.
Yes, it's rainbow. Next.
Number 14. 14.
14. Okay, what's this?
Skateboard. Skateboard.
Skateboard. Next, Sally.
Number 7
What is 7?
is keyboards.
Keyboard. Yes. Next.
Number 13.
Where's
13. 13.
Okay, 13. You win 20 points. Wow. Okay, Sally.
Number 16.
16. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number is armchair.
Yes, armchair. And the last. Are you ready, guys? Who will be the winner? Will be
Yes,
team
yes.
1 or team 2?
Team 2.
Okay, what is it?
Ice cream.
Yes. Oh my God. Okay, the winner is team 2. Okay, good job, class. Well done. Why are you happy, Johnny and Mike? Why? Why are you happy? Oh my God. Now let's have. Okay, reward. We have the reward system.
Where is
Okay.
Sally?
I don't know what happened to you, Sally. Why you always lag out? What happened to your camera? Okay, let's have being on time. Good job. Doing your homework. Very good. Helping others. On task. Participating. Persistence. Remember last lesson. Teamwork. Working hard. Okay, let's give for top 1.
Me.
Where's my reward? Okay, wait. Okay. Because you are the 2 boys, let's give top 1.
Me.
Okay, let's have, okay, Ken, you are a performer. Good job. Okay, this is for you, Ken. Very good. A crocodile. Very good. Next, let's have top 2. Top 2 is, let's give for Sally. Top 2. Yes, this is for you. A cute cat. Very good. Next, top 3 is for Johnny, yes, top 3. Johnny, this is for you. Okay, class, don't be sad. We all winners. Don't be sad.
dolphin.
Yes. Okay, class, that's all for tonight. And have a good night. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Sally. I love you guys. Good night. Bye bye, guys. Mwah mwah. Bye.